Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you a sampler from SCT. This is the sampler for the month of November. I have an annual subscription and it costs $13 a month, including shipping here in Canada. This company is actually based in Canada, Scrapbooking Cards Today, and this is everything that's in the kit. So we always get two collections. It looks like we have American Crafts Storyteller by Vicki Wooten and Late Afternoon by Amy Tangerine. So right off the top I see the stamp set from Amy Tangerine. That's gorgeous. I love these fonts. She has a beautiful lettering that she does, and it's really nice to be able to get a stamp from her. So maybe I'll just flip all this over here so you can see it. Let's start with the papers first. This looks like the Vicki Wooten line here to start from Storyteller. These are classic Vicki Wooten with her birds. That's a really interesting design. I like how they have part of it sort of like a whited out with the lettering underneath. So this collection is very fall, which I know some people in America are currently like getting ready to celebrate Thanksgiving, but here in Canada we are full on winter, and I would have loved to have got a winter kit for this month. I know the winter kits are coming though, because we certainly do have a lot of winter. And these are the Amy Tangerine papers. Ooh, that's really pretty. I just saw a scarf that color actually. So these colors are on trend with the latest fashions. If you wanted to scrapbook and have things match, then definitely would be a good set of papers for that. So let's take a look at what's inside. Okay, so this must come from Amy Tangerine, a cute set of stickers. Those are nice. Some tabs and some cameras. Also looks like Amy Tangerine font. So some thickers. I'm guessing this would be Vicki Wooten, Amy Tangerine. So this is the interesting thing that when you sometimes can't tell which collections each one goes with, it's kind of nice that they have materials that coordinate so well together that you could use them together to create something. I like this together there. Actually has a little embellishment. Look at this cute little note card tucked in. That's pretty. I like that. Very simple. Maybe stitch on the sides to create a pocket that's more secure. Some ephemera pieces. My happy place. Some cute puffy stickers. It's one of my favorite things. Ephemera, puffy stickers, thickers, all my favorite sort of embellishments. They always give us a really nice acrylic piece, and this time it says family. This is exclusive to these samplers. And these really neat sort of wooden type stickers. And then a washi tape with some numbers. Okay, so let's get started and see what we can create. Okay, I'm back with my completed project. Now, before I show you this, I do want to mention this was a collaboration. I'm going to link down below the channel for Melanie. She is a Creatively Crafted Life on YouTube, and she is in the US. So we have this subscription to the sampler, myself in Canada and her in the US, and we decided to collaborate and show you what came in each of our kits, because they all can vary from sampler to sampler, as well as what we created with it. So my creation was a mini album. I did a banner tag flip mini album, and I primarily focused on the materials from Storyteller. You can see this fun layered butterfly from Vicki Boutin that's on there. And then every layer of the banner has stitching on the top layer, and then the bottom layer has such a pretty detail. You can see here the scallop as well as the stitched lines in there. And there's what the other side looks like. I did come in with a fun charm that I've added to that first layer. And here is the second tag. So these are from In Love Art Shop, and I can leave a coupon code down below if you're interested for 20% off. I have collaborated with them as well. They have sent these to me, and I really love them. I'm glad I got them. So you can see I have fussy cut some of the flowers from the Vicki Boutin 6x12 floral paper, or sorry, 6x6 floral paper, and then there's stitching around it and the layer as well. Then on the back here you can see I have again one more fussy cut flower. I've brought in some of my own letters just so I can add the date so that I know that it was from fall 2019, and this just captures a little bit of what happened that fall. This was us shopping for my daughter's Halloween outfit, and here was a fun race. The kids are pumping water at the pumpkin festival. It was our wedding anniversary, so this is a picture from our wedding anniversary, which was, we got married in the fall, actually on Thanksgiving weekend. So you can see all the different layers. This was one of the tags that came, this vellum tag came in the kit, and I really like these little bird papers. You can just see little bits of birds peeking out there. And then this last one has family photos. It says my happy place, which I have stapled, and a little fussy cut flowers under there, some puffy stickers throughout. And then this, I've used this acrylic piece, some fussy cutting in behind there, some of those layered puffy stickers, another fussy cut flower, puffy stickers, and you can see just a tiny little bit, like I've stitched around the entire banner, and you can just see a little bit of that left over. And that's how that looks. So it was a fun project. I love that they're double-sided papers that you get, and it's amazing you can really create a lot of interesting projects with just a small amount of material. And the thing I like is you get to try different designers you might not normally buy. You also get just a small amount that's not hard to use up, so you're not left storing a whole bunch of stuff. And then when I have a lot of collections left over, I've already worked with them and I'm not super motivated to bring them back out all the time unless it's for a specific project. So I like getting a little taste of each of the collections. And then if I do really love it, I can buy the whole thing and make some big projects with it. So again, check out Melanie's channel. I'll link that down below. And I'll have some pictures at the end here for you to see some close-ups of the details for my banner. So I'm excited to see what Melanie has created. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.